Okay, so now we're going to do air conduction pure tone testing. So for this test, you're going to hear a number of beeps and tones through these headphones here. Some of the beeps are going to be loud, some of the beeps are going to be very soft. Each time you hear a beep, press the button in your hand, even if the beep is very soft. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to place these headphones on. Alright, and how does that feel?
Feels okay.
Okay, so just remember I can hear you at all times, so if you do have any questions or concerns, just let me know.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to begin by testing your better ear, which is your left ear first. So once again, anytime that you do hear a beep, no matter how soft the beep, please press the button. Do you have any questions? Okay, let's begin. Okay, you're doing great. So now we're going to do the same thing for your right ear. Okay, we're done. You've done great.